Yeah, this is a Ford F-150. This is what the remote control looks like. We added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. So on the system, you're gonna hit lock, which it was already on. Okay. If somebody walks up and they try to break your window, your key lock or whatever, I'll fire off the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the alarm by hitting unlock on the remote control. So this is all add-on to the factory alarm system. So therefore I don't have to install another alarm and you have to carry another remote control around. And the beauty of this is, you know, this thing is factory. You know, you got the remote start already here, so there's no sense adding another alarm. But the problem is that these factory alarms do not come with any type of impact sensors. So you can destroy this truck from bumper to bumper with a baseball bat and nothing will happen unless the doors are open. So by adding the shock sensor, it gives you all the protection and all the glasses. If they try to bust out the lug nut locks or take the mirrors or the front grille, whatever they decide to take in this car, they will fire off the alarm. This is a 2017 Ford. Show you guys the other side of the vehicle. They try to bust out. I'm gonna go ahead and kick the tire real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the alarm by hitting unlock. This shock sensor is add-on. It's installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists, and we do have free mobile service. The numbers are 305-298-4814. If you happen to have one of these F-150 or the F-250 and the F-350, and they happen to have a factory alarm, and you want to do a little add-on, it wouldn't be a bad deal to give you that extra glass protection, or if they try to bust out your keyhole, give us a call. Thank you for watching this video.